Hello, welcome to New Cars Review today with another video. The 2025 Ram 1500 is a top contender in the full-size truck segment, known for its luxurious interior, powerful engines, and impressive towing capacity. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Exterior. Bold and modern design. The Ram 1500 features a bold and modern exterior design with a prominent grille, sculpted lines, and available LED lighting. Variety of trims. It's available in a wide range of trims, from the work-oriented Tradesman to the luxurious Limited and the off-road focused Rebel. Interior. Luxurious and spacious cabin. The interior is known for its luxurious and spacious cabin, with available premium materials like leather, wood, and metal. Advanced technology. It's equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and a range of advanced driver assistance features. Spacious and comfortable seating. The Ram 1500 offers comfortable seating for passengers, with available features like heated and ventilated seats and massage functions. Engine. Powerful engine options. The 2025 Ram 1500 offers a range of powerful engine options, including a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine and a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine. A torque-mild hybrid system. Many engines are available within a torque-mild hybrid system that improves fuel efficiency and provides a boost of torque. High-output Hurricane engine. A high-output 3.0-liter Hurricane inline-six engine is also available, delivering impressive power and performance. Performance. Strong towing and payload capacity. The Ram 1500 offers strong towing and payload capacities, making it capable of handling a wide range of tasks. Smooth and comfortable ride. Despite its size and capability, the Ram 1500 provides a smooth and comfortable ride on both paved roads and off-road terrain. Available off-road packages. Off-road packages are available for those who need enhanced off-road capabilities, including features like a lifted suspension, off-road tires, and skid plates. Price. Starting price. The 2025 Ram 1500 has a starting price of around $42,270. Functions. Advanced driver assistance systems. The Ram 1500 comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Infotainment system. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen display, smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available features like a premium sound system. Practical features. The Ram 1500 offers a range of practical features, including a spacious cargo bed, a variety of bed configurations, and a wide range of towing and hauling options. Overall, the 2025 Ram 1500 is a well-rounded truck that offers a compelling combination of capability, comfort, and technology. It's a strong contender in the competitive full-size truck segment and a popular choice